Sometimes a docking station is just boring and it doesn't have enough features. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the TobenONE 10-in-1 USB-C docking station with 4 shortcut buttons on it and a volume knob. This thing is awesome. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at this docking station from TobenONE. This is a USB-C docking station right here. It is a 10-in-1. This one also has 4 shortcut buttons on it, so very, very cool. Packaging looks very nice, very simplified. Let's go ahead and open it up. We've got a USB-C wall plug right here. This is very nice. I believe this is going to be GAN 3 at 100 watts right here. And it looks like that's what we're getting out of it right there. So you'll plug this into the docking station to power it, and then you can power everything else with the docking station. But very, very nice. Looks really good. Looks very clean. And like I said, it's GAN Plus. We got a USB-C to C cable right here. This is going to be important because these are rated a little higher data transfer and power. So this will go from your host port into your laptop or computer and power. Basically all the display information can run from that computer into the docking station using this cable. Don't worry, a quick start guide is included. It's going to give all the information on setting it up, kind of how the resolution works on there, plug and play, no driver needed. Just all the information you need about the ports and what they do and how the shortcut buttons work on this thing. So very, very nice. And the docking station itself, wow, this is super, super cool. I've never seen a docking station like this before, so very cool. We've got a knob here that turns and twists also. Hear that, it clicks. All of these have really good response to the tapping and clicking, as well as the spin knob right here. On the side, we've got a micro SD and SD card reader, so very, very cool. On the bottom here, looks like we got some kind of pads to stop it from slipping. On the back, we've got a audio headphone jack right here. We've got a power right here, so you should be able to plug that USB-C power into that. 2 USB-A's or 3.0s. We've got the host port right here, so this is what you'll plug that cable in and plug it into your laptop. We've got HDMI, we've got Ethernet, and we've got a USB-C plug right here. So very, very cool little splitter here. Keep in mind, you can plug a phone into this and power your phone off of it or a tablet, but let's go ahead and try it out. This is the TobenONE 10-in-1 shortcut key docking station with 4 shortcut buttons and a volume knob. Unique integrated USB-C docking station, the TobenONE innovated and developed this 10-in-1 multifunctional USB-C hub. It seamlessly combines a 10-in-1 docking station, RGB light, volume knob, and 4 shortcut buttons, making your docking station different from the rest. Infuses your workspace with a blend of style and practicality, transforming an ordinary desktop into a hub of efficiency and aesthetics. 10-in-1 USB-C dock, it has 10 interfaces including an HDMI port for 4K at 60Hz high definition display, which is going to be perfect for programming and video editing and more. Plus a power charging port with a power output of 87 watts, offering you stable usage. A gigabit Ethernet port ensuring stable network performance for streaming media, video conferences, gaming, etc. An SD/micro SD card reader, USB-C 3.0 and 2 times USB 3.0 for convenient file and photo transfer, and a 3.5mm audio jack for headphone speakers and microphone. Convenient shortcut buttons. This TobenONE laptop hub integrated with 5 shortcut buttons and 1 knob. It can achieve functions such as quickly locking the computer, controlling the monitor's on and off switch, taking screenshots with 1 click, adjusting the lighting, and smoothly adjusting the volume and muting. The operation is simple and it boosts your work efficiency. One 100-watt power adapter is included. This laptop dock station includes a 100-watt power adapter, offering a reliable and high-performance solution for charging your Type-C laptops. It supports up to 100 watts of power input and 90 watts of power output. This ensures not only rapid charging, but also the utmost safety for your valuable devices, striking the perfect balance between performance and protection. And with a wide compatibility and versatile application, it is fully compatible with full-featured Windows laptops and MacBooks. This includes Dell, HP, Lenovo, Surface, Asus, Acer, MacBook Pros, and MacBook Airs. It's also compatible with some iPhone 15 series, Type-C mobile phones, Steam Decks, Mac Minis, iPads, and so much more. It meets the device connection needs of different users because it features a plug-and-play design. You just plug in the device and start using it. It's convenience for enhancing work efficiency anytime, anywhere. TobenONE has done it again with another fantastic dock. We're never disappointed when we work with TobenONE. Every dock we've reviewed from them has been fantastic, so we gotta say, TobenONE, great job. As you know, we've worked with TobenONE many times in the past, and their products are always fantastic, high quality, and just amazing. Plus, they're a really great price. This 10-in-1 docking station is just so much fun. The 4 shortcut keys are awesome, they're super smart, and the volume knob is just a really nice, compact USB-C docking station. It's chef's kiss. But we want to give a huge shout out to TobenONE for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.